Good evening, friends. This is Rajiv Gupta, once again, certified financial planner and retirement specialist. Friends, today I'm going to talk about one very important topic as far as retirement planning is concerned, that why you should not have investment in equities, in mutual funds, whenever you are planning for retirement. This is a very short video, and I request you to please listen to this video because a lot of people are under this impression that SIP is very good for retirement planning and for future planning. Yes, SIP is very good for wealth creation, but please do remember that in retirement you cannot have any kind of risk. It is question of your future income. It is question of your family wealth. So please don't take even 1% risk as far as pension planning is concerned. And I am just going to show you one very important, Excel worksheet where I am going to tell you that how SIP can also give you negative kind of returns if market goes down. Uh, in every 10 years, stock market have got tendency to correct up to 35 to 40% in a year. And you don't know because market is under no obligation to, uh, you know, uh, look for your money or to understand that you are going to get retired, and market is has got its own ride. And please do remember that if you are investing of your retirement into equities through mutual funds, then the chances are there that when that retirement date is coming and the corpus may be having very big drawdown. So the whole objective of this video is basically to tell you that you should avoid uh, mutual funds only for retirement planning. You can have it for children education, you can have it for wealth creation, for buying any assets like house or any other thing. That is I mean, that is there is absolutely no problem in that. But you see, retirement plan. Now I will come to my this Excel sheet. Suppose the market, is at Sensex. I'm just trying to tell you by one example that market is at 35,000. Sensex is at 35,000, and in 10 years of time, it comes to the level of 50,000 where it is right now. Okay, plus minus 1,000 points here and there. So because even your advisor and even you're the person who is advising you on investments, he doesn't know, she doesn't know what is going to happen in next 5 years, 10 years. Please do remember, nobody in this world can tell you that what is going to happen in future. Equity investments are very dicey. They will project you as the things which are going to be like that market is going to continuously rise up. No, gentlemen, that is not going to be the case. So please understand, please see this video, that if you are investing in 35,000, if you are investing 2,000 rupees every month, and you are getting 17.5 units. I'm just taking one example. Okay, so what is happening if next 10 years, 10 years or 12 years, if Sensex goes to 50,000, your NAV has gone up, and you can see that you are making money. So this is the graph. This is the, this is the, what do you call that, column where you can see the 2,000 rupees is investing. This is the, these are the number of units you are getting. And this is the profit. For example, 35,000, whatever money you have invested. So you got this much amount when, you encash that NAV at that particular amount. So we'll discuss this issue separately, 50,000 over. But right now, from 35,000 to 50,000, if you see, if market rises 35,000 and if you invest every month, this is every month, this is for 150 months. 150 months means approximately 13 years. In 13 years, there are 152 months. And if you're investing 2,000 rupees every month, at the end of 153rd month, that is almost at the end of 13th year, you are getting how much money? On the investment of 37,860 is your gross profit and net profit, and this is approximately 12% of the total investment return because you are investing every month. So this I have taken calculation. You can see the various, this is the, we have just simply, I have simply divided this amount by total number of units, the 35,000 divided by 2000 rupees. This is the number of units. This is what I have invested, and this is my value. This is the profit which I am getting. This is written over here. Now you see a very important thing. I am getting almost 35,000 rupees at the end of my 153 months investment. So this is the projection what you are going to get from your any financial advisor, that a long term market is going to go up. No, this is not going to happen. You see, market can go down also, and if you see, if market goes down, if market is at 50,000, you should, the idea behind this video is that you should not put money when market is at its peak. Nobody knows what is peak and bottom, but if the market has risen considerably, if any year if you see 100+% return, you should stop your investment in equity immediately. The reason is market can tank any day, anytime, without giving any kind of warning. So if you are keeping on investing in 50,000 rupees, if you are investing, so suppose your retirement is 10 years down the line, and at 50,000 you are investing, you are getting units at the rate of 25 rupees. Now what will happen? Suppose this, after 10 years, due to any reason, market comes down and it is trading at 35,000. So what is going to happen? Please have a look at this. Market is stumbled in 15, 13, 14 years. Your retirement is there, and you are sitting at the loss of 50,000 rupees in your total investment. What it means is basically it is 17% loss of your total investment. So you see, if you are, if profit you are getting 12%, but if market comes down, for example, rather than going like this, the market comes down like this, so you are getting loss of 17% in your portfolio. So if the amount is in crores, so you can imagine what is the kind of loss that can happen. So my sincere request is, please stick to core and satellite plan, what we are advising, where 80% profit, 80% investment is into guaranteed return kind of investment. 20% we are investing into smart SIP. What is a smart SIP? A smart SIP is basically you are investing money when the market is uh, you know fallen considerably. For example, if we talk about 10 years, so if this amount, if suppose if I have to invest your money for the 10 years, this year I will invest only when the market has fallen at least 25 to 30% from its peak. Once it is done, then that this year investment I will do, and that opportunity I'm going to get at least 2 times in a year. So that is the way you should invest, and that is the way we propose, and that is only 20% of your investment. 80% will be logged into core plan, what we call it as a core and satellite approach. Another video is there, description, which I have, the link I have already given in description, where you can get secured income for every year for next 30 years, 35 years, 40 years. So retirement is something which you can't play. It has to be protected from any kind of market fluctuations. While I'm speaking, I will just try to show you, how, why you should not uh, uh, put money into equities blindly, because see, this is the market now. Dow Jones, if you can see, today it has fallen almost 500 points, and this is the just beginning, and we don't know, market can correct 10, 20, 50%, anything. So retirement income is not something which you should you know uh, think about investing into any other as instrument apart from where you are getting written and guaranteed way. So my whole idea was to, please don't put your money into SIP for that amount which is aimed for retirement. Retirement, you should always think of core and satellite approach, where 80% money is locked into guaranteed returns, like endowment money back plan, and the 20% money is into smart SIP, which is not invested on fixed way in every month. But it is investing only when there is a good amount of fall in the market. To know more about this product, please call me at 975-429-2575. And disclaimer, this is basically a combination of mutual funds plus an insurance product, and I may be having my insurance interest while suggesting this plan. But the only thing is that after researching for so many years, we have found that this is the best solution, and there is absolutely no harm in saying that yes, this product is very good, and you should absolutely use it once it when it comes to retirement. Thank you, gentlemen. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more and more such videos. Thank you.